Changing your electric guitar strings is one of those simple tasks that feels way more intimidating than it should. I get it. When I started, it honestly felt like disarming a bomb. Wires everywhere, weird noises, and no clue if I was totally ruining my guitar. But let's get real. The whole process takes maybe 30 minutes once you know what you're doing. Most players avoid it because they think they'll mess something up. Ironically, leaving old, grimy strings on can mess up your tone way worse than learning to swap them out ever will. First thing, get your tools. You'll need a fresh pack of electric guitar strings. I go with D'Addario 1046, a string wender, a tuner, and wire cutters. You can buy this all as a kit for like $15. It's not fancy, but it works. Start by loosening and removing the old strings. Don't cut them while fully tight. That's how you snap a tuner head or launch a string across the room like a metal whip. Instead, unwind each one slowly using the winder until they're floppy, then snip them in the middle. Next, remove each piece of string from both the tuning post and the bridge. If you've got a Strat-style bridge, you'll push them out through the back. If you've got something funkier like a Floyd Rose, well, buckle up, but I'll save that for a different video. Clean your fretboard while the strings are off. This is the only time you can really get in there. I take a soft cloth and lemon oil and just wipe everything down. It's like brushing your teeth after eating candy. Feels correct and resets the world. Let's move to stringing. Start with the low E. Push the string through the bridge, pull it up through the tuning peg, leave about 2 to 3 inches of slack, then begin winding. Always wind so the string coils neatly downward, not overlapping itself like spaghetti. Pro tip: use your finger to apply gentle downward pressure on the string while turning the peg. This helps the windings sit snug and creates a proper break angle over the nut, for cleaner tuning and less string buzz. I learned this way too late. Repeat that process for A, G, B, and high E. Notice how the higher you go, the less tension you need to add at first. Beginners tend to overtune the high strings and they snap. Save yourself the heartbreak and tune slowly from the bottom up. Once all strings are on and loosely tensioned, begin tuning each one. Start from low E and work your way to high E, then go back and check again. New strings stretch a lot, so don't panic if it won't stay in tune right away. It's completely normal. Stretch your strings gently by lifting them away from the fretboard and tugging upward. Not like you're trying to yank them off, just enough to flex them and work out the slack. Retune. Do this 2 to 3 times and they'll settle in faster than you think. At this point, your guitar should feel and sound like new. Your tone will be brighter, your bends cleaner, and you're playing a little more alive. It's wild how much of a difference something so basic can make. Seriously, fresh strings are like fresh socks. Eventually, you'll find your vibe. Maybe you'll settle on flat wounds or coated strings, or learn how different brands feel. The best part? You no longer have to dread a broken string mid-set or mid-practice. You've officially leveled up, and your guitar deserves it.